Hello everybody and welcome to Toy Warp Vintage Reviews. If this is your first time here, reach over, click that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay up to date on all the great toy videos we have in the works, and maybe check out some past videos as well. Make sure to check out the description below for links to the Patreon and the Toy Warp Facebook page if you want to interact with Toy Warp more. I thank you for tuning in so much and enjoy. Hello everybody. Today we are going to be reviewing this sealed but soon to be opened 1998 Service Railway train set. This is a modern G-scale set that's mostly plastic from Scientific Toys. Scientific Toys was founded in 1969 and is still around today, providing inexpensive remote control vehicles and electronic learning aids. The Service Railway is an enduring design, as the company still offers it today, with just the theme change to the Holiday Express and other Christmas variations. Other than some car variations, today it is the very same exact set. Like many other comparable sets, if you're ginger with the packaging, it can act as a storage box when not in use. The set consists of a steam engine, coal gondola, tanker, open gondola, boxcar with opening and closing doors, and finally a caboose. Along with it, some scale signage. For use, the coal gondola requires a whopping 6C batteries that it can go through rather quickly. If you wish to use the remote control, it will require another 9-volt battery. While operation is smooth, it is a drawback that this set is brand new and the front guide wheels on the steam engine would not stay on the track. Upon a command from the remote control, the steam engine will emit train sounds. And, surprisingly, there's enough variation in the train sounds where you can leave this on for a while and it won't drive you batty. Hit the button one more time and it's got different sounds that sounds like the train winding back down. The detail in the set is on par with the price point. No, it doesn't have the detail of older G-scale electric sets. The look of it is very plasticky and budget-oriented. In 1998, this is a set you would find at Walmart or KB Toys or possibly even Toys R Us. Today, it's available at Walmart, Target, and Home Depot. Scientific Toys does have a website that says all rights reserved for the current year, but the last bit of news, well, that goes clear back to 2018. If you want anything that they have to offer, you will have to find it in store, as their website doesn't seem to have an option for ordering directly from them. What kind of memories do you have with G-scale trains? Tell me in the comments section down below. Check the description below for links to more that Toy Warp Vintage Reviews has to offer. Thank you for watching.